Hey everyone, how's it going? Well, today I didn't do anything. Today it was Sean who broke the plow. He was plowing by himself today. I wasn't here, but I'm home now. And him and Dad are trying to take off one of these standards so we can get at this guy right here. And those bolts are, yeah, Sean, he wants you to turn them. So, give you the big Mahamajama. Which that air hose is too small for that impact, but should be remedied in the future with that baby. As soon as I get this thing wired up. Yeah. Anyway. There she comes. Came right out, eh, Sean? Anyway, getting back to what is happening here was this piece broke. Hit a rock, busted it off, but we found out this piece was welded at one time. So this video is called "We Broke the Plow Again and Again and Again and Again." But we got this old junk plow that Dad bought years ago. I think that'll go now. There. Now we just gotta get those bottom bolts off. So what we're doing is taking that off and we're gonna put it on here. It just goes right in there. Bolts should bolt up. I know this 5-bottom piece is bigger, but Dad said he measured it, which I hope they fit. If not, I'll just weld the sucker on there. But anyway, Dad took these mold boards off. Actually, some of them belong to this one. So, but I know the culprit here is this trip mechanism was welded at one time. That's the thing with these mechanical trips. Sometimes they'll just get wore out and just trip all the time, even if you don't hit rocks. So, what are you gonna do? So, it's back to the plow. Saturday morning, Sean's ready to go. This thing was a lot easier getting off than trying to get back on. This big hunk of iron here has a twist in it. So we were heating it last night, trying to get it back into shape a little bit. We got it a little bit, not all the way, but it should be good enough. But it just makes it harder to get all these holes lined up and then back. So we got this piece, the new piece, wedged in there. And I got my bar in there to get the holes lined up. And then as soon as we get it lined up, I'm going to stick the other piece that we got here. And it goes like that. And we're going to bolt it up. Put 1 or 2 bolts, I don't know. And then we'll put the top bolts in. So once we got all that, we should be ready to go. Right, Sean? Alright, let's see if there's anything else we got to do here. I think we should good to go to try this. Okay, well, we got 2 of them in, so it should be clear sailing now. Use your hammer, Sean. Yeah, right on. Here's another one. Oh, easy as pie. I think this is going to be the harder part because these aren't lining up at all, but yeah, we should get her. That's next. Okay, those are the nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Yep, we're ready. Well, we had a little trouble getting the top bolts in on this one because of the twist in that piece. So we just hooked her up to the Bobcat. Sean pulled her back and we got her in. So now he's waiting for me to undo this so he can get out of there. I'll just Good to go, Sean. So now she's pretty much done. We just have to button everything up and give her another little grease job and ready to go back in the rock pile. I got a wrench right here, Dad. Fire away. I think you need a longer socket. That one's too short. Here, I'll hold it. Give her. That socket's too short. It'll work though. Now we gotta get the big guy on there. This guy needs more air than this. So you use this one, compressor kicks in. Out of air. That should be free. How come that one? How come that one's so long? Well, it's pretty much ready to roll. I'll just wait for some more air so I can give those a little extra tighten, but I think they're pretty damn tight. Right, Sean? Yeah, that's it. Give her some grease. Give the old girl some grease and yeah. I was gonna say that's why I kind of prefer using these old plows where the rocky ground is, because these things are so light they just pop right out of the ground when it hits a rock. Sean said this was tripping, right? The back one was tripping. like it's supposed to. But I know those plow shears are been bent. That one's bent downwards. This one's bent downwards too. I seen it. I think that one might be too. That one's all right. But yeah, so anyway, someone was asking me the number of the plow. Well, this one has a number. Don't know what, 650? That's what it looks like. Yeah, no idea what the number with of these old plows are. No idea, but I know you cannot buy parts for them anymore at all. So that's why it's good to have a couple junker ones around, which is what I want to do with the 3600, is find another plow that we can use for parts. But all the 3600s out there that I see are pretty damn good. Is that painting? Why are you painting? You're not allowed to paint, you know. That's bad for you. Wasting my paint. I could be using that for something, well, whatever. It's just a can. Yeah, but if you're gonna do that, you might as well do the whole thing. Okay, that's good. Let's not go crazy. Dad is not supposed to be using any aerosol products, breathing that in. But he doesn't care. Right, Dad? Anyway, that's about all for this. I'm going to take this back and put it back in the way in the back. Get it out of here for next time. And you might as well get some yellow for the wheels. You might as well get some yellow for the wheels. Okay, well, Sean's gonna take her back and I'm gonna go back. I'm running the 2096 with the 4-bottom, so I should grab my GoPro, try and get some footage. We'll see. All right, thanks for watching. Hey, Sean. We're in the in the tractor with Sean today. I'm getting a ride because my tractor's over there. I hit a rock and broke my shear point off. Snapped it right off. There's a rock there. Right when I was putting the plow down. So, a few rocks up in that corner there. Not so many here, but yeah, we're doing this 50-acre piece here. We didn't spray this down. We sprayed the other part down, but we didn't spray this one. So there seems to be quite a few more rocks here, eh, Sean? So I'm just getting a ride so I can get the truck, because I broke a bolt off that hitch down there. So gotta find another bolt. I think these plows are going to be needing new shears and wear plates on the sides after this. I think this one needs it already. It's starting to come out sideways, and that's usually a sign that the wear plates on the side of the moldboards are worn. MX210 has no problem pulling this. It's almost a little bit too much, but anyway, that's plowing. Don't have too much more to do. It's supposed to rain, so anyway, thanks for watching.